Really nice break above, close above on the 5-minute candle. Now we have to get some sort of a retest and a move up. Everything is holding. There it is. There's the 5-minute confirmation candle. We cannot chase. We do not chase. There's the 5-minute breakout. We need some kind of a slight retest. Just got to be patient with it. There we go. Okay. So we're going to let this thing go as far as it's going to go. Those TrendCloud signals on the 5-minute and 15-minute chart are holding. The opening range is holding. What really helps you make money is understanding a system that tells you play by play. Where is price action on the 3-hour chart? Where is price action on the 1-hour chart, on the 15, on the 5? And TrendCloud's going to color coordinate everything for you so that you can make these decisions. I'm very confident of an upward move right now because those TrendCloud signals are holding. And we've got strong momentum and trend on the 3-hour and 1-hour. Momentum and trend working together across multiple time frames. Very important. Now we have the 5-minute candle that broke out to the upside. We have a bullish candle that formed the opening range. These are bonuses. These are all bonus little caveats to the actual strategy that we have back tested and optimized specifically for the NASDAQ. Everything is in play to the upside. The only thing is that we're in this daily supply zone. But with all of that in play, you've got to buy into the supply zone. You've got to buy into it. Yesterday, we bought into it and it ripped through those supply zones. So we're in the green, right? Let's see if we can get this day trade to become a swing trade and really bring it home. In fact, we can go on to all of them and take a chance. IM has not broken out yet. That's interesting. We're going to let all this shit run. Let it all run. Right. Put your stop losses in, start mitigating risk on these trades here. How about the YM? TrendCloud signal starting to take off. Very nice. Looking good. Looking good. Very nice. MYM starting to take off. In the green on everything there. All right, looking good. Looking good. We are gangster right now. Beautiful. There we go. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Very nice. Got everything working for us now. We got everything working for us. We got targets. We want to start locking in some profits here. I want to let this thing go as far as it's going to for the day. Just keep locking in $100 targets. That's looking very good. I'm just going to manage this thing. I'm getting excited now. We definitely want to lock in profits there just in case. Really nice fill on the ES. See, if this travels to the ADR checkpoint, that's going to be significant because we got a much better fill. Risk to reward is good. Need that 5. Nice, very nice. Let's get that 5-minute candle to break out to the upside. Start locking in profits here. Take a look at what we got. Very nice in the green on everything. In those symbols in the competition here, right? Working those symbols, they all add up together. Dow Jones, we're still waiting for that breakout to the upside on the Dow Jones. There we go. There we go. Come on, let's see it. Racking up the green, up 900. And we're going to start taking targets here. Competition, baby. Look at all that green. Trend and momentum working together across multiple time frames. That's what you get. Trend and momentum working together. Yesterday, we had an explosive move, and it just kept going. Let's see if we can do that again with multiple contracts here. We're going to start to scale out. And when you have TrendCloud on your chart, you're going to be able to do stuff like this. You can take a complicated task like having multiple contracts in play and manage it because you have an understanding of what price action is doing. Racking it up, guys. Racking it up, right? Our stop losses are in place. Our targets are in place. We're just going to let this thing play out. Let's get over to the NQ. Very nice. All right, beautiful move coming up on that next target there. Trend is up, momentum is up. Bullish candle formation on the opening range. 5-minute breakout to the outside of the opening range. All of our components are met. All of our components are met, and all of our bonus components are met, right? Those two caveats. Bullish candle on the opening range breakout and 5-minute breakout candle. Both happened with trend and momentum. CCI above positive 100. Uptrend on the 3-hour, uptrend on the 1-hour. Momentum is strong. Bullish candle formation on the breakout, in the opening range, I mean. 5-minute candle breaks out to the upside. Come on. TrendCloud signals are holding. Guys, this is what we wait for, right? This is what we wait for. Are we in a supply zone? Yeah, we're in a supply zone. You got to buy into the supply zone until it fails, you know? And yesterday, it just ripped through everything. So let's see if it happens again. Moving up very nicely. Good position to win big. We're in a good position to win. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Coming up on that target there. Look at this, guys. Such strong moves, man. Such strong moves. That's how we do it, guys. In the green the whole way, guys. So there we are in the green on everything. We took a very complex trading situation and made it extremely simple because we had TrendCloud on our chart. We knew how to read the price action. We're just about to hit 15. You have TrendCloud on your chart. You can take complex trading situations and turn them into simplified trades just by understanding where you're at in price action. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that today. I don't want this video to get too long, but you've got 5 elements to a trade. You've got trend, momentum, you have timing, you have supply and demand, okay? And you've got multiple time frame analysis, all right? And those little caveats, those support and resistance caveats, bullish candle on the opening range, 5-minute candle breaking to the upside or outside of the opening range. These are all little caveats that you'll learn in the course, and you can take complex trading situations and simplify them so that whether you're in competition, like I'm in right now, I'm in the Leap day trading competition right now, doing very well. We've made over $5,000, right, in 2 weeks. That's really good, okay? We're in the top 10% out of 56,000 people because we've got a system in place that allows us to understand where price action is at across multiple time frames. We can take complex trading situations where you've got multiple trades open, multiple contracts going, and you can simplify it by having a price action mapping system on your chart, like risk management, targets, and entries. TrendCloud puts it on your chart. So if you're interested, click the link below. I'll send you my free mini course on how to do this. And then please join us in the live room. We trade Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 10:30 on the opening range, and you pick up a lot of information from real world examples and real trades. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.